they have created in recent years. You as a collective have become more focused than ever, because you have experienced so many things you did not want to see and be part of in your world. This is the time to amplify this focus on what you have created, because you are entering a new era for humanity, an era of greater transparency, more freedom, the collapse of the old, and the birth of the new. You have truly done this as a collective, whether you agree or disagree on all the issues you have focused on. Most people in the world want what is good for everyone, and most people in the world realize that for this to happen, changes must also take place. Now, if you focus too much on what these changes should be and concentrate on the very specific outcomes you had in mind, you will only create a greater distance between yourself and that reality. You can be flexible and open to the upcoming changes in whatever way is best for everyone, and you don't need to know the details. Focus on the feelings, not the details, and you will get there much faster as a society and as individuals. Realize that you are working as a collective, and as a collective, you are moving in the right direction. You will always go home. And home will always be the source of energy. But first, you are going to move to higher levels of consciousness, which we call the fifth dimension. There will be a sixth dimension, and a seventh, and an eighth, and so on, for all of you to experience as you get closer and closer to your original source. And what you have gone through in recent years on planet Earth has really made everyone focus on the kind of world they want to live in. It's not just a return to the way things were before, as you are doing right now. It's about letting go of the old and allowing the new to come in, with the energies arriving for this month of March and for the entire year 2022. You are on this upward spiral, and you can expect your creations to come with ease, grace, and with the ability to be experienced in joy and peace.